Ever wondered about the numerous disappearances of ships and planes in the Bermuda Triangle? Is there a supernatural force at play, or is there a rational explanation? Let's delve into the enigma known as the Bermuda Triangle, a region infamous for its mysterious vanishings of vessels and aircraft. It's a place that has sparked intrigue and speculation for decades, often attributed to extraterrestrial activity or mythical sea monsters. But is there more to this story than meets the eye? Enter Australian scientist Carl Kruszelnicki, who recently brought a fresh perspective to this age-old mystery. According to Kruszelnicki, there's no need for otherworldly explanations or fantastical sea creatures. The truth, he suggests, is much more grounded in reality. Kruszelnicki attributes the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle to two key factors: human error and poor weather conditions. Yes, you heard it right. The sinister reputation of the Bermuda Triangle might stem from simple mistakes made by pilots and sailors, compounded by the unpredictable nature of the sea and sky. Supporting Kruszelnicki's claims, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Association, or NOAA, and Lloyd's of London have also weighed in on the matter. They contend that there is no evidence of unusual events in the Bermuda Triangle when compared to other well-traveled ocean areas. The number of disappearances, they argue, is consistent with global averages. So, if we peel away the layers of myth and mystery, we're left with a rather ordinary patch of ocean where accidents happen, just as they do in other parts of the world. So, does this mean the Bermuda Triangle mystery is no longer a mystery? Are the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle really as frequent as they seem? You may be surprised to learn that the answer is a resounding no. Let's dive into the statistics to dispel some of the myths surrounding this infamous area. When we examine the numbers, we find that the Bermuda Triangle isn't nearly as menacing as folklore would have us believe. Australian scientist Carl Kruszelnicki, along with reputable organizations like the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Association and Lloyd's of London, have all concluded that the number of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle is consistent with global averages. That's right, the Triangle does not claim more vessels or aircraft than any other well-traveled area of the ocean. Now, you might be thinking, but what about all those stories of ships and planes vanishing without a trace? It's true. These tales have fueled the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle for decades. However, when we look at the data, we find that these stories are more the exception than the rule. In fact, the vast majority of vessels and aircraft pass through the Bermuda Triangle without any issues at all. So how does the Bermuda Triangle stack up against other well-traveled ocean areas? It turns out not much different. Other areas of the world's oceans, such as the North Sea and the Pacific Ocean, see similar rates of disappearances. This further debunks the myth of the Bermuda Triangle being an anomaly. It's also worth noting that the Bermuda Triangle is one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world. It's a crossroads for a vast number of commercial and private vessels, as well as a major flight path for both domestic and international flights. With such a high volume of traffic, it's only logical that occasional disappearances would occur. In conclusion, when we take a closer look at the facts and figures, the Bermuda Triangle loses much of its menacing mystique. As we can see, the Bermuda Triangle doesn't hold a monopoly on maritime and aerial disappearances. If supernatural occurrences are ruled out, what exactly is causing these disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle? Let's dive into the deep waters of human error and its role in the Bermuda Triangle mystery. It's easy to get lost in the allure of conspiracy theories and supernatural claims when trying to explain the unexplainable. However, when we strip away the veil of mystery, we often find that the answer lies not in the extraordinary, but in the mundane. In the case of the Bermuda Triangle, it seems that human error plays a significant role in many of the reported incidents. Navigational mistakes, for instance, are a common element in many of the disappearances. The Triangle is a vast and treacherous expanse of ocean filled with unpredictable weather patterns and strong currents. A small miscalculation or an erroneous reading of the compass can easily lead a ship or plane off course and into danger. Misjudgment of weather conditions is another common human error in these incidents. The Bermuda Triangle is known for its sudden violent storms, which can catch even the most experienced sailors off guard. Ships can be capsized by rogue waves, and planes can be brought down by fierce winds and turbulence. These weather phenomena are not unique to the Triangle, but they can prove deadly if not anticipated and navigated correctly. Other human errors, such as equipment malfunctions and lack of experience, can also contribute to these unfortunate incidents. It's important to remember that the Bermuda Triangle is a heavily traveled area, which increases the probability of accidents and disappearances. In the end, it seems the Bermuda Triangle is less of a supernatural enigma, and more of a testament to human fallibility. So, what have we learned about the Bermuda Triangle? It's a question that's been asked for decades, with countless theories and speculations swirling around this infamous patch of ocean. But the truth is much less mysterious than the myths would have you believe. The Bermuda Triangle is not a supernatural hotspot, a vortex of doom, or a gateway to another dimension. It's simply a well-traveled region of the ocean where unfortunate incidents can occur, much like any other part of the world. Our understanding of the Bermuda Triangle is not based on folklore or conjecture, but on solid, verifiable data. The key factors at play here are human error and poor weather conditions, both of which can lead to disaster if not properly accounted for. It's not the Bermuda Triangle that's to blame, but the myriad of factors that can contribute to a tragic incident. So, let's put the myths to bed once and for all. The Bermuda Triangle is not a mystery to be solved, but a reminder to always respect the power and unpredictability of the natural world. Next time you hear a tale about the Bermuda Triangle, remember, it's not the location, it's the conditions and the decisions made that lead to these mysteries.